In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna in-store, shop in-store with Klarna. 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to pay in a physical store using Klarna, from setting things up in the app to tapping your phone at the checkout. Before you start, make sure your Klarna account is active, your phone has NFC enabled, and you're signed into Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Open the Klarna app and head to the in-store tab. This is where you'll see participating retailers and the option to create an in-store payment. If prompted, allow location and notification permissions so Klarna can show nearby options and send you updates about your purchase and repayment schedule. Take a moment to review any terms shown for your region, like spending limits or plan durations. Next, create your one-time digital card. Search for the retailer you're about to visit, then enter your estimated purchase amount. It's smart to round up and include sales tax and any expected fees so the authorization covers the full total. Klarna will show you the repayment plan and due dates before you confirm. Review this carefully. The card is designed for a single in-store transaction and will have a limited active time window, which the app will display. If your final total comes in lower than your estimate, you'll only be charged the actual amount. Once the card is generated, add it to your mobile wallet. Tap Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay, then follow the on-screen prompts to verify. If your device asks you to set a default payment method, you can keep your usual default and just select the Klarna card at checkout, or temporarily set the Klarna card as default for convenience. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode is enabled, since you'll need it to authorize the payment. At checkout, open your wallet, select the Klarna digital card if needed, and hold the top of your phone near the contactless reader. Keep it steady until you see a confirmation check mark or feel a vibration. Some terminals may prompt for a PIN or signature. Just follow the instructions on screen. You'll get a confirmation in the Klarna app shortly after, and your repayment plan will appear with upcoming due dates. If the payment doesn't go through, double check that NFC is on, your phone is unlocked, and your estimate wasn't too low. You can review the card's status in the app and create a new one if needed. Always keep your store receipt for returns or exchanges. Klarna will update your plan if the merchant processes a return. That's it. Open the app, create the card, add it to your wallet, and tap to pay. You're ready to shop in store with Klarna.